basically I'm just introducing the concept of DJ Strike, what we started for last 3 academic years. We started this activity from 2017-18 and it was run under IETSF committee. This year onwards, we are going to have this activity under the curriculum. So it is going to be an audit program where every student of EXTC department has to undergo this DJ Strike activity. Now I'll just brief you what exactly DJ Strike activity is all about. It is basically a mentorship program where a students from second year teams up with the final third year student, and which is finally mentored by a final year student as well as a faculty guide. They work on a year-long project-based learning activity, and it is expected to learn or to come up with some kind of a product development at the end of the given academic year. The beauty of DJ Strike is they can extend their project work and continue the same project work in their final year. So the thought process behind the DJ Strike is for continuous project-based learning, where the students are not just doing a given project for a given semester or two. They do it for the couple of years, which actually should lead to some kind of a product development and which help them to learn all different types of activities which are involved in project-based learning as well as team building activities. So this is in nutshell all for DJ Strike. We expect a good amount of participation from the student fraternity, and they will actively involve in developing a good product-based development. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Professor Yukti, one of the faculty coordinator of DJ Strike. DJ Strike is basically a collaborative learning where students of all the departments of DJSE are working together to develop a product. It gives you a platform to exhibit your communication, technical and written skills, which helps you in getting admission for higher studies, also for getting a placement. DJ Strike basically starts with group formation, then final project topic selection, and then followed by 4 reviews, and then final strike competition. Top 5 groups of DJ Strike are directly promoted to DJ Spark, which is a state level competition. So you will get a direct entry to a state level competition. Wish you all the best and hope to see you soon during review process of DJ Strike.
Hello, I am Professor V. Venkataramanan. I am the DJ Strike coordinator and I am here to share some information about the DJ Strike competition. As told by HOD sir and Yukti ma'am, you have to work in a team. So, a team in general consists of a faculty mentor, 1 VE mentor, 2 third year students and 2 second year students. In some cases, 3 third year students and 3 second year students are also allowed based on the project. Remember, more than 3 TE students are not allowed in a group. The students can develop projects from problem statements offered by the department as well as work on their own innovative ideas. The projects are expected to be application oriented with domains ranging from core electronics, telecommunication, robotics, artificial intelligence, machine learning and more. The IETE Student Forum also provides various components which are widely used in the project, and the same can be rented from the component bank. The competition has provided platform for the students to showcase their talent, interest and innovative ideas at the interdisciplinary level as well as develop and improve on them with the guidance from the reputed faculty members and judges. Furthermore, teams completing their projects can publish their project work in DJ Strike journal. It has also resulted in formation of new student teams where interested students can further participate and grow. One of the projects in this year's competition had an interesting robotics application. Looking at the project potential, I approached them with an opportunity to participate in the European Rover Challenge, which led to the formation of team DJS Antariksh with our principal sir, vice principal sir and our HOD sir continuous guidance. If possible, we are going to float the problem statement from the CANSAT and rover competition as well. There are great new opportunities to be explored, and I hope you all are eager to participate in this competition and experience a joy of learning.
Myself Anuja Odekar, Branch Counselor IETSF, DJ Sunday. DJ Strike, which is a mentorship program, we have started, the Department of Telecommunication Engineering has started this program since last 3 years. In this, the students are forming a group, second year, third year, B student as a mentor along with the faculty member forming a group. It's a main highlight of the program is it's a interdisciplinary program. Means one group is going to have a student from production, telecommunication, electronics, IT or comms like that. The program, it's a year-long activity where a group of students working to get a final end product. It may be the hardware, it may be the software. The program goes through the 4 different stages. In first stage, student has to submit their complete idea along with the budget. In second stage, they have to go for the 50% completion of their idea, followed by third and final stage. The way how the program is designed, it helps student to groom himself as a team leader as well as a group member. In this, during this process, the student is learning various aspects of the product development. The students are working on the budget of the students are working on the budget of the project. They are working on the documentation. As in final stage, they have to write a technical program in ISBN journal. So in this way, this is a complete program where the students are learning all the aspects of engineering, designing, manufacturing and product development. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
I am Mrs. Poonam Kadam, faculty in the EXCC department at DJ Sangvi College of Engineering. DJ Strike is a very good concept introduced by our HOD Dr. Amit Deshmukh. It's a very good platform provided for the students to enhance their technical knowledge and come up with certain products. Each group in DJ Strike activity comprises of students from second year, third year as well as final year of the curriculum. So the students are very much comfortable in sharing their knowledge and teaching each other. Along with that, there is a faculty mentor associated with every group to guide them. I had been associated with this activity last year. I was mentoring a group and I have seen growth of the students during the process of this activity. DJ Strike activity has been running from last 3 years, and from academic year 2021 it is going to be part of curriculum, so that each student studying in the DJ Sangvi College can take benefit of this activity. I wish all the best to all the students. Thank you.
Hello students, myself Amay Kadam, working in DXTC department of DJ Sangvi Engineering College. I am also the project coordinator for the final year project for the department. Now let me talk about the advantages of the DJ Strike. Now as you know, this is a mentorship activity undertaken by the department of EXTC. This activity will improve the various project management skills such as meeting deadlines, working with the peer, then writing a technical paper and so on, which that are basically required for executing the final year project. Another advantage is you will be writing the technical paper at the end of your work, research work. So writing a technical paper will improve your presentation skill, and it is a high skill activity. Once your paper get published in a DJ Strike magazine which has a ISBN number, you can include that thing in your LinkedIn profile. So that is a very good thing about the DJ Strike. Another thing is you can carry out a in-depth literature survey for the project that you will be carrying out. So your most of the work or the most of the idea you will get clear during these 2 years before the final year project, and then you can easily convert this idea or project into a well-defined product, because the aim of this activity is converting the project into a well-defined product. So get ready for DJ Strike. All the best for your future.
DJ Strike is a mentorship program designed by ITSF in such a way that it is capable of helping DJIs into expanding their skill set and knowledge. The timeline for the program is one entire year, which is enough for you to come up with an idea and execute it completely. Towards the end of the year, you would have a working model of your project along with a publication on the same in the Strike journal, which adds a lot of value to your resume. Strike provides a platform to students which teaches them project management, networking, and collaborative learning, which are essential skills for the industry. There are faculty guides and BE mentors who would guide you throughout the year, especially during the review periods. Coming to Spark, it's a state level project competition and it teaches you great level of research and project execution. Strike, along with Spark, has the potential of bridging the gap between academics and industry if it is utilized well and nurtured well by the students. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Prachi Shah. I'm a B student from DJ Sangvi from the Department of Electronics and Telecommunications. I had participated in DJ Strike in my second year. DJ Strike for me personally has been an overwhelming experience. It has been a great journey, beginning from the selection of teams to deciding the topic collectively to the synopsis to the final project report, collecting of materials and actually creating a final project. The guides have been helpful throughout. Whenever we were stuck anywhere, we could easily reach out to them and they were always enthusiastic to help us. The DJ Strike participation has helped me and been quite impactful during my campus placements too. So in a nutshell, I would like to say that DJ Strike is a great platform to learn and to develop leadership skills, team building skills, enhance your technological skills. So for me, it has been a great experience.
Hi, this is Stuti. It was a great opportunity for me to be a part of the Strike program. As a mentor, I have been working with Nishi and her team who were developing a self-driving car model. It was a great opportunity for me to share my ideas with my mentees and see them turn my ideas into reality. It was a great forum to interact with engineers who are as passionate about technology as I am and to see them develop something new and innovative.
Hi guys, this is Roma Jain. I am a 2017 pass out from the batch Electronics and Telecommunication, and today I am going to speak about DJ Strike, which is a competition where you showcase your projects. You start from actually coming up with an idea and then going into the execution of the idea. And that's the interesting part, right? Like you would want that you actually implement the idea and see it in action, right? So I quickly dive into what our project was for the DJ Strike competition, and I'll tell you the advantages also. Okay, so our project was hand control robot. So it was built for an industrial application which is in hazardous situations. You really don't want human beings to go in and do the things that is required. So for example, when we actually have to help someone who is caught up in fire, would you want a human being to actually put his life at stake when the same work can be done by your bot, right? So keeping in mind the industrial application, so we had built this hand control human robot which was actually built on kinematics, robotics and computer vision, these three applications in one project. So this was a semester project and we had to showcase this, and the best part is when we were showcasing it, we actually came to know that the industrial application was good, but our implementation was not up to an industrial level, right? So I'll quickly tell you how. So when we do image processing, right, and when we use a black background on something, it makes it easier for image to be processed, for any object to be processed, because it's a strike, it strikes a good contrast between the object and the background, right? So that's what we had done as a hack, as a beginner, to actually get this industrial application implemented in our project. So as and when we were doing it, we came to know about the challenges, and we also learned a lot in terms of how kinematics. So if you know the maths behind the kinematics, so theoretically knowing about is different, and then implementing it in real is different. So you have motors running, you have a degree of rotation of these motors, you have the maths and the min, right? So all those calibrations, all those kinematics and maths applied on real sensors was what actually led us to understand theory in deep. So that's the advantage of DJ Strike, is that when you do, you actually learn, and when you learn, you'll also come to know your mistakes, which you would not want to do it in future, right? So as and when you grow up, say you want to have a startup of your own, or you want to sell a product, or you are working for a company. So if these ideas have already been implemented by you in the past, and if you know which ideas can fail, then you definitely can pick up ideas which you know are definitely not a failure points, right? So that's the first advantage, the very first advantage. Second advantage is your skills of explaining something technical. Now that's a very important skill to have. So when you actually explain your project, which is actually technical to a level, you tend to actually add technical terms when you explain, right? But if the technical term is not understood by you yourself, then you're not even going to be able to explain it to a judge, right? So that's where our skills were tested. So we all were very technically into it, that this is how it works, we know it. But when it came to a point where we had to actually explain, we were fumbling. Okay, so we learned that communication skills, and to be able to explain that via a communication skill is more important than your technical skills, right? So when we were explaining, we had to actually break down the statements, break down the explanations into something that everyone can understand. Everyone can understand the application behind it, right? At the end, what do you want? At the end, you want whoever is your customer, or whoever is looking at your project, should be able to understand the application behind it, and why did you do it, right? So what did you do, how did you do it, and why did you do it are the main parts when you explain anything to a person, right? So that's the second point that we have learned when we were doing this DJ Strike competition. So it was the first time that we had to explain a technical project to someone, and from then on, me and my team members, we went on to other project competitions, and that's how we gained confidence. So I'm coming to the third point, is gaining confidence is also a prime factor when you are in college. So there's nothing like it if you can gain confidence before even being thrown out in the real world, right? So these are the major advantages of DJ Strike process. Also, the fourth point is you're not going to get this anywhere. It's like the best to have when you're doing DJ Strike. So the fourth point is, the judges will also tell you that where you are wrong, how it could have been improved. Okay, so how it can be improved and what you can do to improve it. So when you get these feedbacks or suggestions, that also helps you to actually broaden your horizon. Okay, so we actually tend to, when we make projects, we actually think of a plan and we try to execute it. But when you are in the last stage of getting feedbacks from the judges, from the professors, from the teachers, they actually also have their experiences, their teachings, and they actually help you grow in that way. So if you take the feedbacks positively via this DJ Strike competition, it's nothing like it. Like I remember one feedback was, oh, so you guys have used black background. What if in real life situation you don't have a black background? What would you do? And that point made us think that, oh, really, if this product had to be thrown in the real world, will it work? then and there we got an answer. Okay, so please participate in any competitions that we have in our college where it is showcasing your ideas, showcasing your projects. That's how you will also actually have a good connectivity, a good network within the college, and you'll also get feedbacks from the judges, from the professors. Also, you'll learn, you'll grow personally as well, right? So yeah, that's it.
DJ Strike and DJ Spark both helped me learn not only the technical skills but also the management side of the things that go into seeing a project through from start to finish. Working under the guidance of our experienced faculty members like Professor Amit Deshmukh sir really helped me up my game in writing technical papers. I think that every student who wants to know what research is like should give it a shot, as it not only hones your technical skills but it also gives you people skills by helping you make connections with your seniors and your juniors through collaborative learning.
Guys, my name is Nishi Modi and I am from the ESTC department. We participated in Strike 2019-20 and qualified for Spark as well. Our topic was Arduino-based self-driving car with drowsiness detection. We were a group of 5 members including 2 GEs, me and Gaurang Kamath, and 3 SEs, Sanya Kirkire, Parth Kurade and Shreya Nayak. So basically this car was designed for driver safety. We implemented drowsiness detection using HAR cascade. Our car had 3 different modes. The first one being the manual mode, in which the car operated as a simple remote control toy car. The second one being the voice control mode, in which the person sitting next to the driver does not know how to operate the car can use this mode as well, in which he would simply give the instructions to the car and the car would go accordingly. The third one being the autonomous mode. In this mode, the coordinates of source and destination were provided to the car and the car would move from one point to another with the help of obstacle detection and GPS coordinates. We worked for almost 6 months on this car. We learned many new things in this process and it was a great experience.
Hello, I am Ketki Godse. I belong to group number 27 of DJ Strike. Our team consists of 2 groups, group number 5 and group number 27. Our team has made a quadcopter along with the remote control. So one of our groups took care of the hardware part of the quadcopter and the other group took care of the telemetry system of the quadcopter. So now the remote control of the quadcopter consists of an Arduino Uno along with joysticks and an NRF module that is configured to be a transmitter. So the information of the joystick is sent by the NRF transmitter module wirelessly to the flight controller, which is made up of STM32 and an NRF module configured to be a receiver. So this information is transmitted by the STM32 to the motors of the quadcopter via the ESCs, that is electronic speed control circuits. So also we have a few sensors that we have put on the quadcopter. So and also an NRF module that is configured to be a transmitter. So the sensors sense the data and send it via this module wirelessly to the ground to an NRF that is configured to be a receiver on the ground attached to an Arduino Nano. So the information that is sent to this NRF receiver module, we can attach a USB cable to the Nano and we can view this data on a laptop screen. So this is what our quadcopter does. And we had a project guide, Professor Sunil Karamchandani, and he helped us a lot about the stability of the quadcopter, which is a very difficult goal to achieve, to stabilize a quadcopter at a particular height. He also gave us the contact of a few people we can take help of. Also our BE project guide was Haran Vashi, and he helped us a lot with the mathematical calculations as to what factors we should be looking at while making this quadcopter. He also helped us with the selection of a battery, and so that we should know what factors we cannot ignore and we have to take into consideration while selecting a battery. So yeah, he helped us a lot with the mathematics section of the of making of this quadcopter. So that's a little something about our project. Thank you.
Hi, I am Darshan Salim. I belong to group number 27. we have actually built a quadcopter. On this project, two groups were working, group number 5 and group number 27. So the project was divided into three parts, basically a custom built flight controller, radio controller and a telemetry system. The flight controller was basically a PID controller which consists of STM32, which takes the desired input, yaw, pitch and roll values and converts it into a PWM signal which has been given to the electronic speed controller to control the motors. The second part of the project was the radio controller. It was made up of Arduino Nano, which takes the input values from the joystick and converts it into a desired values which has been given to the quadcopter by the NRF module. The third part of the project was the telemetry system. We had used three sensors: temperature, pressure and humidity. All the values from the sensors was given to the ground, that is the radio controller, via the NRF module. Our project guide Sureen Karamchandani sir helped us in all the calculations and gave us an idea about the PID controller, which is used for gaining the stability of the quadcopter. PE guide Harin helped us in all the mathematical calculations and helped us in selecting the components for the quadcopter. So this IETE Strike Mentorship Program helped us to gain experience in building a project and as well as team building and planning. So this was a little summary of our project. Thank you.
In SE, I was quite unaware about how a year-long project goes about and in what phases it is being executed. But after participating in DJ Strike, I became well versed with different phases of the project and its entire life cycle, starting from reviewing literature to working on future scope of the project. Everything was quite clear. Our seniors were diploma guys, so they had sound knowledge of components and its working. Learning experience from them proved to be quite helpful for me. In third year, we had different set of juniors, a different B mentor. And this year, our team decided to work on a product-based project. So the name of our project was iStick. As the name suggests, it acts as an aid for the blind. It had various features like obstacle, light and moisture detection. It also had feature of live tracking system and an SOS button. The continuous reviews being conducted by the faculty ensure that we keep in touch with the project and worked on it continuously. All in all, Strike was a wonderful experience. Apart from imparting technical skills, it also ensured that we imbibe some sort of soft skills like project management, product management, team management, etc. So Strike proved to be quite a good amount of productive activity for me. You guys also try it.
Hi, I'm Parsi Merchant from DJ Sangvi College of Engineering, currently studying under the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication. DJ Strike is a one-of-its-kind mentorship program and competition. It combines practical learning with project building. The mentorship provided by the student and the faculty guides has been excellent and motivating at all times. DJ Strike was originally conceptualized with an aim to better the overall academic development of students. It consists of 4 stages that are spread throughout the academic year. Each stage consists of a review process that assesses the progress of the project and the team and provides them with suggestions and improvement. The final stage consists of a project display competition. Having a paper published at this stage is motivating and helpful. In conclusion, I would like to say that DJ Strike is a great experience. It provides a great platform to display the technical prowess and to help better understand the subjects that are already a part of the curriculum.
Hey, I'm Avi Doshi, a student of EXCC department from DJ Sangvi College of Engineering. This was my second year in participating in DJ Strike competition, and it has really transformed the way I make projects and write technical papers. DJ Strike helped to improve my technical as well as my organization skills. From making a team and deciding a project to actually making a project and writing a technical paper on it, DJ Strike gave us a platform to do it all. The mentors and the guides were very helpful and gave us very valuable inputs. Strike is not only a project competition, but it also allows an in-depth learning of various subjects across different domains. It also enables us to work with our teammates and coordinate with them to achieve a common goal. All in all, it was a wonderful experience and it allowed myself to develop and advance into a better engineer and at the same time gain management skills.
Guys, I'm Prachi from DJ Sangvi, and I'm a part of IET committee, and I had this great opportunity to be the strike coordinator of IET. DJ Strike is basically an inter-college competition. It's based on project development. So students across the college can team up and create their own projects, mentored by the fourth year students, and also take help of the teachers they have been assigned. So what the strike coordinators have to do is handle the whole strike process, which goes on throughout the year, set up reviews between the teachers and the students, and just interact and coordinate with the teachers and the students. And all in all, it taught me a lot of things that I was not very good at first. It taught me how to be patient with students. It taught me how to manage things, how to think on the spot and come up with solutions, and how to handle delays and so much more.
Hi, I'm Pooja and I'm one of the strike coordinators. So strike has been a great journey throughout, from allotting the students their groups to watching them grow and come up with innovative ideas for projects and implement them. As a strike coordinator, I learned many things that I wasn't good at before, like coming up with last minute solutions to problems, managing people, communicating and coordinating between different groups of people, and being patient with others. Apart from this, I also gained a great deal of technical knowledge and learned how to use my theoretical things in theoretical knowledge in practical life.
Hi, I'm Mansi Parekh, the strike coordinator for academic year 2019-20. So, strike is basically a college level project competition where every batch and the faculty members come together to make a project. And as a strike coordinator, I could witness the whole process of project making, from fetching the raw materials to creating a final product. I've gained a lot of technical knowledge and management skills while working for strike. Being a part of IETSF was indeed a great pleasure.
Hi, my name is Devna Dave and I got to be a part of IET committee as a strike coordinator. So DJ Strike is a competition which gives you a hands-on experience on applying your theoretical knowledge into developing practical skills under the expertise mentorship of the faculty. Not only that, you get an opportunity to explore newer ideas via the projects of other students. Overall, it was a wonderful experience.
Hello, I am Vivekanand Sahu.
Hi, I am Siddhant Savi.
Hi, I am Omkar.
Hello, I am Rohit. We participated in the DJ Strike competition. Our project was a prototype of autonomous tomato harvester. So we basically made a robot that harvests or pick ripe tomatoes.
Looking at the potential of our project, Professor Venkatramanan contacted our team with an opportunity to expand our project on similar lines by participating in the European Rover Challenge.
Under the guidance and constant support of HOD sir and faculty members of our department, we were able to start the team DJ's Antariksh. DJ's Antariksh aims to design, manufacture and test the Martian rovers to compete in various competitions like European Rover Challenge and Indian Rover Challenge.
The Rover Challenge series is one of the prestigious robotics competition held worldwide, wherein teams are expected to prepare autonomous rovers with capability such as performing onboard soil analysis, navigation, traversing rough terrain, cache collection and so on. Our team is an outcome of DJ Strike competition and we are glad we participated in it.